How to transfer money from Philippines to Malaysia. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees from transfer for up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on send money. Now, first of all, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines. Now, type it in the search as you can see. So after you select it, now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Malaysia currency. Now you can type it in the search bar as you can see. So after you find it, now you can type how much you want to buy. For example, $1,000 as you can see, or $10,000, or any amount that you want to transfer. And now as you can see, this is how much recipient you receive. Now tap on pay with, and now select the bank e-wallet or your balance. Now after you select the bank account, now tap on add recipient. Now as you can see, you can select do it now option. Now select someone else, and now provide their email, phone name, account type, and do it now ID, and click on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their do it now account. Now if you want to transfer that money to bank account, you can select the bank details, and as you can see, and select someone else, and I'll provide the email, phone name, bank name, as you can see, an account number. You can select the bank name from here as you can see, and I'll select the account number according to that bank name, and I'll click on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Malaysia. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.